Hi, good morning guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Visha and today I have a review for you guys from this very interesting and very clever beauty device. This is a 3-in-1 multi-effect beauty instrument, and today I am going to tell you guys more about this device. I'm going to tell you more about the different settings and basically how it works. I have been using this device for the last 2 months or so, I would say, and I can already tell you it's a very clever, very interesting device and I absolutely love it. As I said, it has 3 settings which I'm going to tell you more about very soon. This is the actual device, which looks very sleek. Let me just turn it off quickly. See, I turned it on. It has a very sleek design. It feels not very heavy in the hand, but it feels like great quality. And with the gold buzzer there in the middle, you turn it on and then you can go to the right setting. These little rollables right here are basically to massage your skin, which you can also use with a certain setting. Then here you can open it up and there you have basically your metal side. You can also use this for 2 settings. So let me first explain you about the different settings. So this device has 3 different settings. So the first one is the sonic mode. The sonic mode is basically to cleanse your skin. I'm going to show you how that's done. So you turn this thing right here, so basically the end of the brush, you turn that. You can just very easily take that off. You take that off. Then you have a special cotton pad that you basically put on top of this, and then with like a ring you close it. So let me just show you how that's done. So in the package you have these cotton pads that you use in combination of the sonic mode. So the sonic mode is really to cleanse your skin. I'm just going to apply one of these. So you use one of these, you put them on top of the cleansing tool, and then you have a little metal ring basically, and you put that on top. Make sure it's tight, just like this, and that's done. What you do then is you apply any kind of toner or any kind of essence you put on top of here. You can also use it with like a cleansing gel, a cleansing balm, anything like that. And you press the button and you press it again, so it goes on the sonic mode. You see it here, and if I'm very quiet you probably can hear the vibration. Yes, you probably can hear it now. So what you do is you literally put any kind of cleansing gel, anything, and you just go over the skin like that. And you can really go, especially very nice by the cheek area. I really like it here by the nostrils, where you often have a little bit more build up as well, and you may not be able to go there so easily with your fingers. And this just feels really good. There is a timer on the device, so it will switch off by itself after, I believe, 3 minutes. So when it's done, it turns off by itself. So then you have your face just thoroughly cleansed with this tool. Obviously after that, when you're done, you take off the cotton pad, you make sure that the head here is completely cleansed and clean, and the cotton pad goes into the bin. So I feel this is like such a lovely little tool if you really want to step up your cleansing routine. Right, then we go to the next setting, which is the RF mode. I'm a fan of the RF modes. That's the radio frequency, so I just would like to show you. Again, it's used with this side of the tool. So you take this off, you push the button and you go to the RF. I hope you can see it here. And what you do is obviously very simple. You put any kind of essence on your skin or an oil or anything that you like to use on your skin, and you just use it like this. So you go like that from your chin up towards your ear, and that's how you do your whole face, from the nose up to the temple area, and that's how you do your whole face. Again, there is a time set in the device, so you don't need to worry about that, and you go like that. I'm just showing you how to do it, like that. You can obviously take the neck area as well. And what does the radio frequency do? It works really well on the skin tightening, it works well on the collagen, and it works well on lifting of the skin. So obviously you will need to do it as a course. Don't think it's like one-off treatments. Obviously these kind of treatments you need to do frequently to get the best results and the best benefits. But this feels so lovely on the skin. It's really good, and I'm obsessed with radio frequency. I have used it in the past when I was still working as a beautician. We use radio frequency and it feels lovely, it's relaxing, and at the same time you do work your skin really hard. So it's so good to, as I said, I wrote a blog post about this device as well, and as I said, if you really want to step up your skincare routine at home, then this is your best friend. Obviously this is the way to go. You obviously with only products you can only achieve so much, but if you're really gonna look into any kind of devices, then this is such a clever device. It's really good. I'm honestly obsessed and I could not wait to tell you guys more about it, but there's more. So what we have now is we have the cleansing tool, so the sonic mode, then we have the RF, so the radio frequency, which is also done with this side of the device. So then we go to the third setting, which is probably my favorite one, which is the EMS, Electronical Muscle Simulation. And that is done with these ones right here. So what you do is, again, you put any kind of essence and oil. I personally really like to work with like an oil. So you put oil on your skin and then you push the button again. You make sure it's on EMS, which is there. And you simply, it's so easy, you generally cannot go wrong. You go like that. And this feels so good. I love it. The EMS works for, it's basically like a workout for your muscles, okay? So it works to tightening the skin, it works to lift the skin, and it's just an overall workout for anywhere where you use it. So obviously you can imagine that this is a great treatment for around the jawline, the neck area, around there as well, so here and cheeks. It's so nice. And there's something about these rollers that just feels so good. You do feel like a slight pulling. Don't know if you can see it on camera, what happens. I also don't want to do it too long because I actually did not apply a essence, but I just would like to show you on camera. And then like here. It's so nice. I love this one. I think personally that the EMS is probably my favorite setting, just because it feels so good. It's honestly, it's amazing. So the EMS works really well for anything like tightening the skin and lifting the skin. So yes, this is basically the three options that this device has. Obviously you can also just use the diamonds, the little rollers here, if you have, for example, some tension around your jaw area. So you can very easily, you don't need to even switch it on, you can use it like there and there, because this feels really lovely. Even though they call it a 3-in-1, I kind of feel that you can also use this without turning the device on and just basically enjoy the way it feels on your skin and on the muscles, because this is so relaxing, like really lovely. So this is the device. It very easily is charged with a USB there, so that's obviously super easy. I actually have been using it a lot, and it lasts you a long time which is great. Then also it actually comes with a very cute little bag, which I thought was so adorable. So you can put the device in the bag. Let's say, for example, you go traveling, anything like that, then you can just easily put it in there and take it with you. Because I already see myself going away and take this absolutely with me. I love it. And as I always say, like, you can kind of, like, this is always how I explained it when I was still working in the clinic. With the skin, you can kind of compare it with going to the gym if you want to, for example, lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you should not only go every day to the gym and eat very unhealthy every day, because then it still doesn't make sense. If you would like to start a healthier lifestyle, or you would like to lose some weight or anything like that, you should do both. So you should do exercise and you should eat really healthy as well. So you obviously should do basically a mix from both of them, of combination, I should say. So you should do a combination from both. With your skin, it's exactly the same. So you can invest in the best products and, you know, do your routine twice a day. But if you never really step up that game with going into, for example, a peeling or radio frequency, LED, a professional facial, things like that, then you do really miss out on a big part. So things like this, with the device like this at home, you do really step up your skincare routine at home, like massively. So I feel that it's honestly, I think the price for this device is around $399, I believe. I will double check, and I will also put the link in the description box. I have a great discount code for you guys as well, which I will also all add in the description box. But I feel it's so worth it because you get loads out of one device. It has obviously different settings. It can do lots of different things. So I feel that it's definitely worth it, and it just feels really good. It works amazing, and it has such great benefits. And my skin, when I use it, it looks so nice. It feels really nice. It feels super relaxing. So yes, I am honestly a huge fan. I love it. I think it's a great investment. It just works really easily as well. So you just press the gold buzzer, or the button, sorry. Yeah, you go to the right setting. So this one is the EMS, the Sonic, the RF, and then another one, click, and it's done. So you turn it off. That is how easy it goes. So I feel it's a lovely device. Then obviously what comes with it is you do get the cotton pads as well. You do get obviously the ring to attach the cotton pads on the device. Then it comes in a very lovely little box. I'm actually still using the device in the box, so I just store it in the box. But you can obviously store it in the bag as well. When I'm traveling, I will take it in this little pouch, and I won't put it back in the box because the box, it fits perfectly. But yeah, for storage reasons, obviously it's much easier to put it in a little bag. So yeah, this is just great. I'm just gonna tell you guys a little bit more on what is on the box, what is in the little instruction book as well, to make sure that I don't miss anything out. So the VR 3-in-1 multi-effect beauty instrument. The ultrasonic is for deep cleansing, so that's the first setting that I showed you guys today. The one with the cotton pads, which you do like this one. So you put the cotton pad there. Then the second one, radio frequency for activating collagen. That was the second one that I showed you guys as well. And then EMS, microcurrent lifting, and for tightening the skin. So that is what it can all do. I am honestly obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit more about the instruction book. So you get this little instruction book as well that tells you everything about it. It gives you all description from all the tools, basically, the buttons and things like that. But it's very easy. Like, you have this in like one go, honestly. Let me see. If I just want to check if I miss anything. So the sonic mode, yeah, so the sonic mode does switch off after 3 minutes, so that goes automatically, so you don't need to worry about that. Then with the RF mode, it's switching off after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the device will just automatically switch off. Always make sure though to obviously clean this area after using, which, you know, makes sense, but I still need to mention it. Make sure that you do cleanse it after use. And then again with the EMS function, apply some firming cream on the face, turn on the EMS modes, use the V-shaped roller for massage from down to up. So obviously always like that, always from here to there. And this also switch off after 6 minutes. So the device does switch off after 6 minutes. They do say to not use the device while pregnant, and do not use the device while being on heavy, painful periods. Other than that, I would say always start with like a little patch test. So if you use it for the first time, just go a little bit, like for example jaw area, anything like that, just to see how you are reacting. I don't, you know, think there would be any kind of like reaction, but obviously I still need to mention, you know, be cautious and do a patch test first to see how you get on. Then obviously the little instruction book comes in your box as well, so you can go back to your box in case you do have any questions or you're not exactly sure. I do have a 30% discount for you guys, which I'm very, very pleased about, because I think that is a great deal. I will put the discount code in the description box below. I would also like to say this is not a sponsored video. These are completely my own opinions. I'm genuinely obsessed. I absolutely love it, and I really enjoy using this device. I personally think it's a great device to add to your skincare routine, and it just works so lovely, and it feels really nice as well. So for me, highly recommend it. Absolutely. Like, I won't be without anymore. Like, I'm traveling next week and this is coming with me. Like, absolutely, this is coming with me. I love it. And I love especially the RF and the EMS. Like, so nice, so good. For me, the cleansing one, I also have a few other cleansing devices, and I always feel I should use it more, but I am more into the EMS and the RF and, for example, LED, things like that. Cleansing, I'm always quite, you know, I use my hands, but yes, the cleansing tool is for me the one that I use basically a little less compared to the radio frequency and compared to the EMS, but it's so good, and I know that a lot of people are obsessed with cleansing tools. So this one does it all, absolutely everything. It's a great combination. It's so clever. I do love the design as well, so I think it's a great one right there. Guys, I really hope that this was a helpful video for you. If you are thinking of purchasing the Rejuvenation skin device, then let me know if you have any questions. It's for me absolutely worth it. I will also put the website for you guys in the description box below as well, so you can have a look there. Their Instagram as well. They're very responsive, so in case you have any questions, you can always drop them an email, or you can obviously drop them a DM or anything like that. I'm sure they will come back to you very shortly. I really hope that this was helpful, and if you did like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video, because I will be coming your way with more skincare videos very soon. And for now, I wish you an amazing day, and I will see you very soon. And thank you so much for taking out the time out of your day to be here. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.